What's going on, guys? I've got a 2010 Honda Odyssey, and I'm going to use it to point out to you the location of the fuses for the sliding doors. So real easy once you know where to look. It's not going to be in the main fuse box area, but it's actually in this little additional one behind it. So to get the cover off, you simply squeeze these two tabs together and lift straight out. And the two fuses for the power sliding doors are going to be here. So this is going to be for the left-hand side, the driver's side, and that's going to be for the right-hand side, the passenger side. So yeah, be sure to check those out. You know, if something happens and it's just totally unresponsive. Other than that, I don't know anything about those sliding doors. So feel free to chime in if you guys have any advice or questions or tips about troubleshooting the power sliding doors on your Honda Odyssey.